Okay, welcome back to another part of this tutorial. To fix this problem that we have, just to show you the problem again, if I was to select the leg and move it, this is the effect that I would see. And this is not what we're trying to achieve at this stage. In order to fix that, we need to go to select the character, expand the physics menu, and then click on envelope, and it will give us the envelope menu. In this case, what you really need to do is make sure that this envelope is covering the entire all the vertices on this shoe, and it does not grab anything from the other side. There are different ways that you could do that. For example, first of all, let's try to make sure that this bone here does not grab any of the vertices from the other shoe. It's been a while since I used this. Okay. So you could go to the cross-section tool, select these rings, and then decrease them. Also, you have a parent overlap, child overlap, radial scale that you could try to play around with in order to change the position of this. As you can see here, this fit does not go all the way and grab that, which is fine, and we can click and drag that in order to make sure that it extends and it covers all the vertices there, and it's leaving some of these vertices behind. So I could do the parent overlap, kind of go back up a little, but not too much. What we could also do is go and create control points, or use the control points. So in this case, I could expand this control point enough so that it comes and it grabs all of these vertices, and in this case it has. So now if I was to move this feet, it shouldn't hopefully be moving any of these, and it shouldn't be leaving any of the shoe is assigned to behind. Well, it's still doing that a little bit, so let's go fix that. It's grabbing that over there, which is not what we want. Let's select the feet again. I could scale this down a tiny bit. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so it's not leaving anything behind it. That's good. Well, it's leaving some part of the shoe behind, but that's fine because we could fix that with the envelope assigned to the other bone. I could just go and increase the radial scale altogether, and same with this. And that's all you have to do. Maybe here I may want to go to the parent of it, the child overlap, and then just decrease that a little bit. Here we want to make sure that the envelope covers the entire trousers, the shorts. Just go to the control points and just move this out a little bit so it covers more areas. As you can see, these vertices here, for example, haven't been highlighted, so I might need to get that and move these around. It's grabbing some of the other ones, which is what not we want, so I might have to move that a little bit so it doesn't cover that. And that's looking good. Let's do the other leg. Let's just increase the radius a little bit. Use the reduce the child overlap, get the control points, and make sure that we are selecting everything here. same it up here a little bit. Good, good. So I'm just trying to make sure that the appropriate bones are covering the appropriate areas of the body. So now if I was to do the legs, so let's have a look. Hopefully we'll have zero to no to very little trouble. Let's have a look. So it's working much better now. Let's try the other one. Okay, this one I will need to select it, go to the envelope and increase the child overlap. Make sure we cover everything. Let's move this up. Okay, just leaving a few things, let's grabbing a few things. So that's all you have to do. You just have to sit down and go through this in order to make sure that these envelopes do not cover anything else besides what they should be covering, and to make sure that they cover what they should be covering. Again, here, as you can see, if I was, it's controlling these few points here, which is not what we want. We want to just move these back a little bit. It is a little bit of a time-consuming task. It shouldn't take more than a couple of hours, really, for someone who's new. Someone who's been using Theorius Max should be able to do this in about half an hour or so. And that's all you have to do. Just go there and continue doing that for the entire character, for everything. The fingers, between the fingers, you'll have to do that. So for example here, just to demonstrate that to you, if I was to go ahead and select envelope, actually before doing that, if I was to select this bone and rotate it, actually this one functions okay. Let's grab one that okay, there we go. So that one's not functioning well, and this one's functioning pretty okay. These are all pretty much functioning fine, and one of the main reasons is there's a good space between the fingers of this character. If you had modeled the fingers in a way that they were closer to each other like this, then like this, then it would have been more difficult. But as you can see, when I animate or move this fingers affecting that, all of that is because of the envelopes. So if I was to go here, one of these envelopes is grabbing some of that the thumb there. It's either it's grabbing it, or the thumb itself is not being fully controlled by its assigned bone. So if I was to go increase that, and also increase the strength. Now if I was to rotate this, I should not see the thumb moving as much. As you can see, the tip of the thumb is not moving anymore. Let's just back off that, which you need to increase the strength on it. And that's all it is. This is all it is you have to do in order to rig a character. I hope you enjoyed the tutorials, and best of luck.